So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to install or watch FlexVision on your Samsung Smart TV. So if you're wondering what is FlexVision, FlexVision is a third-party streaming application that provides users with access to a wide array of entertainment content, including movies, TV shows, live TV channels, anime, and some adult contents. So let's now proceed on how to install FlexVision on your Samsung Smart TV. So first, you need to open your Samsung Smart TV and then click on the source on your remote control. And after clicking on the source, you must open your Samsung or Android phone and then proceed to settings. After going to settings, find connections. And after clicking on it, you must see screen mirroring or smart view. Usually Samsung has the smart view button. So let's now proceed. After clicking the screen mirroring or smart view, you will now able to click the available devices that is now presented on your screen. Now, select the TV or your smart TV device on your phone for you to able to pair. After selecting it, you will now open the application on your phone, which is the FlexVision. After opening it, you can now watch FlexVision on your smart TV using your phone by screencasting or screen mirroring it onto your TV. And that's how you watch or install FlexVision on your Samsung Smart TV.